As per the stone and bricks, we know tiles is also a material. um, Tiles are used easily, and it is differentiated in with the thickness. So if we take the characteristics of a good tiles, so what are we taking? It should be free from any crack or bend. Okay, it should be regular in shape and size. Okay, it should be well burned. Okay, these are the, if we it should be fit properly when placed in positions. Okay, so tiles have another character, this is uniform in color. Uniform tiles should be uniform in color. Now it is also a process of same to be like brick. Okay, making process, manufacturing, if we take the manufacturing, it is same as, more or less same as the process of brick. Brick, so preparation of clay, it is also necessary in case of a brick. Whenever you are taking the preparation of making brick, the preparation of clay is an important thing. In case of tiles, preparation of clay is an important thing. Then you know modeling, in process of modeling, it is also same in case of brick and tiles. Drying, then burning. So these are actually the process. So first is the preparation of clay, then modeling, then drying, and then burning. These are same more or less in case of tiles and brick. Okay. Now in case of tiles, it is burning at nearly to an arising temperature of nearly 800 degrees centigrade. Okay, it is nearly 800 degrees centigrade. It is burning. Okay, now then we get the tiles. Okay, for using. Now, if we take the classification, if we got a classification of the tiles, there is so many things. It can based on the material used. You can, if you take the material base, there are common tiles, there are based on which are used for pavement or floor or any type of roofing or wall. These are the common tiles. Okay, these are common tiles, but there are different which is used in for decorative purpose. Those are the different. Okay, if you are using the tiles for general purpose like flooring, roofing, or wall, these are the common tiles, and slight difference tiles there are those which are used in case of decorative type of work. Okay, and we know the roofing tiles is different than drain tile. Okay, which is drain tile. Now if we take the roof, in case of roof, if you take the roof tally is there's a type. If you take the roof tally, there are, first it is an interlocking tile. So to be locked one to another, this type of tile. Mangalore tile, that is also a part of roof tile. You know, Allahabad tiles, that is a type of roof tile. uh, Pot tiles, plain tiles, pan tiles. These are the variety of, okay, interlocking tiles, Bangalore tiles, Allahabad tiles. These are the process. Okay, these are the just the division of type of those type of. Now, as we know, in case of stone, in case of brick, there are so many tests to be done for the goodness of the building material. And samely, whenever you are using tiles have also test. There are so many tests. So water absorption test, which is an important in case of brick or stone, that is also important in case of tile. So water absorption is an important test in case of tile. Now impact test is also tile case. Brick, in case of brick we have an impact test, in case of stone we have also an impact test, but in case of whenever we are using tiles also have a test, important test, that is impact test. We can done impact test on tiles. Now these are the base material. Basically the three are the brick, tiles or stone. These are the material, and uh, separated from this type, like besides these three things, bricks, stone or tiles, another important one is material in case of a construction is in most common and type is artificial cement. That was important. It was artificial cement. First it was discovered in 1824. In 1824 there was a development of artificial cement. It was in England. That was in 1824. That was the first development of the artificial cement. Now India, first time, if you come to India, it is first time manufactured by Indian Concrete Company Limited. Now India, in case of India, we get cement in the age of 1914. In 1914 we get cement. Okay, it was invented in 1824. Okay, now Indian Concrete Company Limited gave us first cement in case of in the area in the year of 1914, and the material was OPC. You know that material was OPC, that is ordinary Portland cement. That was the first to use. Now most active building medium is now cement. Okay, it is, you know, it is most active building. Now people, the principle, if we take the principle of raw material which is used in the manufacturing of cement, so there are so many things. It is all about the, you know, the chemistry based processing manufacturing system. It is a work of temperature 1400 to 1500 degree centigrade. And what are the composition? Lime, you know, CaO, the lime, silica, SiO2, that is a part, alumina, Al2O3, that is a part, magnesia, MgO, sulfur trioxide, that is also a part, sulfur trioxide, SO3, potash, also called soda we call potash, that is Na2O plus K2O. So these are the chemical compositions of cement. So and you know, there is a process to make this dry powder used as a cement. Now mixing all of this raw material first, then it is burning into a certain temperature, then grinding is a process. After that there is packaged in a bag and store. So that is actually the process of the cement. So taking the raw materials of all and then mixing of the raw material in a machine, and then it is burning of that raw material. After burning, that have to be grinded like dust or type of grinding, then it is packed in bag and delivered as cement. Okay, so we know there are the mixing of raw material. If we say no, first thing for the making of cement, the first thing is mixing of raw material. Now mixing of raw material is normally established by two processes. There is a process which is a dry process, and there is a process which is a wet process. Okay, so dry process is the modern technology. So processing in dry is an wet process is also a technology for mixing raw material to produce cement, but it is an old technology. So dry technology is more recent, and it is modern. Dry technology is modern to make the cement. All the major company of cement, they are using this thing. Okay, now after that, grading or quality grading. So grade to be judged what type of cement is done. Okay, so grade, any type of, you know, there are various grades according to the compressive strength. The cement grade firstly which is used, so various grade which is according to its compressive strength. You know, there are 33 grade cement, there are 43 grade cement, 53 grade cement. These are the grade which is according to the compressive strength. Okay, so you know, I am explaining one. Okay, so what is mean by 33 grade? I am just saying one. Okay, 33 grade means it is 28-day compressive strength of the cement is more than 33 Newton per mm square. Okay, so then it belongs to 33. So samely have definition in case of 43, 53 grade. Okay, so same. Okay, it is 33 or 43 type of grade. Now if we take the property, of a Portland cement or property of a ordinary Portland cement, you know the color. If we taking a bag out of cement, we know that all the cement color, total color is uniform. It is an uniform color. So it is a light shade, light greenish or light whitish type of shades, and the color of the whole cement is uniform. Okay, uniform. And good character of cement must be free from any hard lumps. Okay, if there is any hard lumps within any cement, the cement is not okay, or cement is not good in quality. Okay, so all good cement must be free from any hard lump within the bag or within the packet. Cement should be spill, if we touch it, it would be smooth. Okay, all cement, if it is good cement, then if we touch through the hand, it will be smooth. Okay, it will be smooth and passing through the fingers, okay, that will be a good cement. Now in small quantity of cement, if you throw in a basket of water, the particulate should float for some time before it sinks. If it is a good cement, if you throw some cement into the water, first it will float into the water, then it will down into the float for some time before it sinks. So first float in the water, then sink. That will be a good cement. Okay, first it is floating in the water, then it is sink into the water. That is a property of a good cement. So now it is a general way to judge how a cement is good or bad. Now cement has a specific chemical property. We know the percentage of alumina within a cement, the percentage of lime within a cement, the percentage of total sulfur content SO3 within a cement, the total weight of the magnesia should be less than 5%. Those are the criteria, nomenclature, which is judged chemically. So there are chemical property. So we are judging through good cement. It may be physically or it may be chemically. There are 2-3 points in physical character, there are 2-3 points in chemical property. So if 2-3 points of physical property is okay, and then 2-3 points of chemical property is okay, then it is a good cement. Okay, now we know, as per all the building materials, we have here also the test for the cement to judge the cement is good or cement is bad. So we know mainly that is the fineness of cement is an important test. It is a fineness of cement first. Second is soundness test, that is also an important. Setting time test, that is also an important test. And initial, whenever we are judging setting time, that is an initial setting time and that is a final setting time. Okay, and setting and hardening of cement, that is also a point. Okay, strength of the cement, basically the compressive strength of a cement, those all can be tested. Anyone can test all these things to judge a cement is whether it is a good or bad. Tensile strength is another important thing. The tensile strength, that is also to be measured. Now cement, if we general talk about the general taking of the cements, that is cement mortar, cement concrete, or reinforced cement concrete, RCC, basically reinforced cement concrete. These are it is an important building material nowadays. So cement is it is a building material in bricks, or it is a stone type of masonries. Cement is used to cover the surfaces of the masonry system. Okay, cement mortar is to be used pointing of bricks or pointing of any stone masonry. It is used in case of decorative purpose. It is used in the floor whenever you are finishing any floor. There is all things, those are, you can make the pipes or various types of posts which are made by using cement. Okay, so cement concrete is used in RCC if a floor slab, or in a column, or a wrap foundation, or if a water tank, bridge, dam, or any pile foundation, you are using the RCC. Okay, so these are the basic use of the cement. So specification, if you take the specification, it is an IS norm specification. If you take IS 269 1989, this specification of the ordinary Portland cement, it is a 33 grade. you can get a IS code of 8112 in 1989. It is a specification of the ordinary Portlands in 43 grade, and there is also a 12269 in 1987. That is the specification of, you can get the ordinary Portland cement specification of 53 grade, basic 33, 43 and 53. Those are available in case of IS code. Okay, you can take any code book and you can check all of the what are the code basically lied in case of 33 grade cement or 43 grade cement or 53 grade cement. Now this is a vast use material cement, we know. It is a vast use structural member. Now it is subjected to the others. Okay, so cement is a huge use, we know. It is used hugely, widely used in case of construction material nowadays, and there are process to check whether the cement is good or whether the cement is bad. So that is, to know the test is important. What are the tests to judge a cement? Okay,